Hi there. So today let me take you behind the scenes of an AIF and how there is a perfectly synced and in some cases not so perfectly synced infrastructure and multiple teams striving to get you the best. So most investors only see the returns, and rightly so, since that's why we are all here investing. However, what some of them don't see is the institutional framework, working silently in the background to ensure governance, compliance, reporting, integrity, and operational quality. So an AIF is not just a fund manager buying stocks, it's a regulated financial ecosystem with multiple independent entities involved at different levels. So I'll run you through some of them, but let's start with the structure. So most of the AIFs are usually structured as a trust, and the governance is overseen by a SEBI registered trustee. Then there is a registrar and transfer agent who maintains investor records and interfaces with the depositories, which are NSDL and CDSL in India. Then we have a merchant banker who reviews the pre-placement memorandum, which is your offer document, for compliance standards. And then there are multiple specialized functional operational teams, outsourced, in-house. Some of them are tax auditors. There is an auditor for the information memorandum or the PPM. Then you have fund accountants who calculate NAVs. Then you have the fund administrators who handle RBI filings, PMLA checks, and dematerialization. And there's still to go. The most important, the investment manager who runs the strategy. There is a sponsor who provides seed capital, a compliance officer who manages regulatory obligation, benchmark providers, independently measuring fund performance. Quite a lot of them, right? So while the investor experience may look seamless, there's actually a very deep operational and regulatory framework supporting it, which is actually important for a successful fund. So when investors evaluate AIF fees, they often think they're only paying for the stock selection. But in reality, they're also paying for the institutional grade structure, governance, compliance, reporting, and execution quality. Because in serious investing, returns may be visible, but the real edge is often hidden in the quality of the structure behind them. So next time you look at an AIF, don't just ask who manages the money. Ask who's behind the structure. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.